Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can deconstruct in Icarus. Now let me just place down a foundation right here by crafting down, let's say, a thatch wall and then a thatch floor right here. So in the case that you do manage to place down something that is completely not what you expected, for example, let me just place this down and this one as well. Now, if this is completely undesirable for you, you can make a wooden hammer like this one. If you are wondering where you can get that, over in the tech tree and the tier 1, you can find the wooden hammer right here. Try to learn it, and then you can make it with the use of 10 pieces of fiber, 4 pieces of stick, and 6 pieces of stone. Now, when you hover your hammer over a structure, you can see some inputs on your bottom right. You can deconstruct by pressing down Y. Let me just press that now. And as you can see, it completely deconstructed that wall, and then it got sent into my inventory. And that's pretty much about it on how to deconstruct in Icarus.